Yes, students. Today in class 9, we will try to find out remainder theorem in polynomials. Remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If Px be a polynomial of degree more or equal to 1, right? More or greater than or equal than, more than or equal to 1, more than or equal to 1, you can say also. More than or equal to 1, and let a be a real number, right? And Px is divided by linear equation x minus a, then remainder is Pa, or Pa is called remainder, right? It means if any polynomial is Px, degree of Px is always 1 or more than 1. Degree is is 1 or more than 1, right? When and there is a linear equation x minus a, it is a linear equation, and if Px divided by x minus a, where a is a real number, right? So when Px is divided by x minus a, then if Rx is said to be only R, because degree of Rx always be less than 1, right? If degree of remainder is 1, then also it can be divided further. So degree of Rx is always less than 1, maybe 0. So if Px is divided by x minus a, there is remainder Rx, right? So this is called P of a. Remainder is P of a. This is the remainder theorem. Rx is degree. We can write it also like this: Px equal to x minus a into quotient plus remainder. Right? You will learn this in detail in class 10. Now we are going to use the remainder theorem to find remainder when a polynomial divided by a given other given polynomial, right? So now let us take example. Here is a polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is a polynomial, and this should be divided by x minus or x plus 1 by 2, or you can say simply x plus, we can write here, see here, x plus 1.2, right? What is the one problem? This is the given polynomial, and this polynomial should be divided by x plus 1.2. This is a linear equation, right? This is linear polynomial, and this is a given polynomial that should be divided. Now let us try to find out the solution. First of all, take x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, right? And when you will transfer 1 by 2, you will get x equal to minus 1 by 2. If you get confused, you can write here also x equal to minus 1 by 2. This will be, you can write like this for the next line, or you can write like this, whatever is easy for you, right? x equal to minus 1 by 2. As we done in the last classes, this is also called zeros of the polynomial. Putting an equation equal to 0 and then find their solution, and this find their roots, find their zeros. This is the zero of the solution. In this way, minus 1 upon 2 is the zero of the x plus 1 upon 2, right? So now we will find p of minus 1 by 2. पहले हमने क्या किया, जिससे डिवाइड करना था उसको इक्वल टू जीरो लिखे, ट्रांसफर किए, सिंप्लीफाई किए, x इक्वल टू फाइंड किया हमने, तो दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड जीरो एज वी डन इन द लास्ट क्लास. जैसे हमने पिछले क्लास में किया था, इसको हम जीरो कहते हैं. नाउ p ऑफ माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 लास्ट क्लास में हमने किया था, बस वही काम करना है. सो you will put all the value of x and the place of x minus 1 by 2. x के प्लेस पे क्या पुट करना है, minus 1 by 2. सेम थिंग, ब्रैकेट यूज करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज करना है जहाँ रिक्वायर्ड होगा. x क्यूब मीन्स minus 1 by 2 होल क्यूब प्लस 3 into, here we use into x square means minus 1 by 2 square plus 3 into x means minus 1 by 2, put here bracket, plus 1, right? X cube, x means minus 1 by 2, 3 into minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, right? We can say here, put x, value of x, don't write anything, don't try to do it like this. P of minus 1 is put the value of x in the given polynomial. Now this is minus cube is gets minus 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, plus 3 is 3, minus square 1 upon 4, minus square is plus, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. This is 3 into minus 1, we can write here like this also, plus 1. Now as you know that first of all we will try to simplify power. सबसे पहले क्या सिंप्लीफाई करना है हमको, पावर सिंप्लीफाई करना है, हमने कर लिया. देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, जहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई है पहले उस टर्म में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो यू कैन गेट हियर minus 1 upon 8 plus 3 1 जा 3 upon 4 and this 3 minus 1 is minus 3 upon 2 plus 1, right? Wherever जहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई है पहले आप क्या करेंगे, हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट स्टेप पावर यूज करेंगे, देन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन यू कैन ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम हियर. नाउ एलसीएम इज 8. 8 1 जा 8, so you can write here minus 1. 4 2 जा 8, 2 multiplied 3 gets 6. 2 4 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8, 4 multiplied 3, 4 3 जा 12. 1 8 ja 8, you can write here 1 also. 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, right? Take LCM of 4 8 2 and 1. 4 8 4 2 and 1, LCM is 8. Now 8 1 ja 8, so 1 1 ja 1. 4 2 ja 8, so 3 2 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8, so 4 3 ja 12. 1 8 ja 8, so 8 1 ja 8. Now here you can first of all pluses, plus 6 plus 8 gives plus 6 plus 8 gives 40 plus 40 minus 1 minus 12 get minus 30 upon 8. 6 plus 8 40 minus 1 minus 12 minus 30 plus added in one side and minus in other. सारे प्लस को एक में ऐड कर देंगे, सारे माइनस को एक में ऐड कर देंगे. Now when you subtract it you get 1 upon 8. So this p of minus 1 upon 2 is minus 1 upon 8. As we done in the last class, this is the called value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1 upon 2, and this is called remainder of the polynomial when divided by x plus 1 upon 2, right? So remainder is 1 upon 2, and name of the remainder p of minus 1 upon 2, right? So let us try some more question as a homework. Find remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by a x plus 1, b 2x plus 2x minus 1, right? Put it equal to 0, then find the value of x, put it equal to 0, then find the value of z, and then put the value of x in the given polynomial. Now second thing, using this we will try one more question. This is your homework. Question second. Example second. What is second example? Find remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided by x minus a, right? Question is, this polynomial when divided by x minus a, we have to find out remainder. Find the remainder when this divided by x minus a. So to find the remainder, first of all, px equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now take x minus a equal to 0 as we done in the previous question. हमने क्या किया, जिससे डिवाइड करना है उसको क्या किया, 0 के इक्वल फाइंड किया, राइट? देन we simplify it, you can get x equal to a. को सिंप्लीफाई किया, हमने क्या पाया, x equal to a. This a is also called root of the or zeros of this x minus a linear equation, right? Now put the value of x equal to a in the given polynomial and set to be p of a. क्या कहेंगे इसको, p of a. You can say now p of a equal to, right? Put a in the place of x, you will get x cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Always put in bracket. Now next you will get a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. In this case, a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. Here you can see that a cube minus a cube cancelled out because this is plus and this is minus, and 6a minus a is 5. So this is the remainder of the polynomial. Remainder is 5a, right? This is the name of the remainder. We can say remainder is 5a, right? One more thing we have to noted here, when remainder becomes 0, so we can say when remainder becomes 0, this is divided completely. अगर कभी डिवाइड करते हैं रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो हम कहेंगे completely डिवाइड हो गया. So in this case we can say the divisor as a factor. We can say the divisor as a factor, right? Now we can see here, let us take an example. Example 3. Check whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. X cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Check whether x plus 2 is a factor of this, right? As we have told you that when remainder becomes 0, then we can say x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial this, right? So how we can check? Find the remainder, just like the remainder theorem here. To find the remainder, solve. Polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, right? Similarly, like the previous question, take x plus 2 equal to 0. This will give you x equal to minus 2, right? Plus 2 transfer there and gets minus 2. Now find p of minus 2. Put minus 2 in the place of x, you will get minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Right? Now first of all we will try to simplify the power. So minus 8 plus 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Then next we will try to multiply. First of all power, then multiply. What is multiply? Minus 8, 3 4 12, 5 minus 2 minus 10 plus 6. Now add the pluses. 12 plus 6, 18, minuses, minus 8 minus 10 minus 18, plus 12 plus 6 gets 18, minus 8 minus 10 gets minus 18, and it becomes a 0. We see here, we find that polynomial remainder is 0, right? And polynomial value of polynomial becomes 0 at x equal to minus 2. In other words, we can say this, right? Since remainder is 0, since remainder is 0, then x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay? Remainder is 0, then we can say factor. Now try homework. Check whether homework 2. x7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Right? Here we are like to give you some hint. When you take see, we are giving you some hint that x plus 3x, we take x plus 3x equal to 0 and you can simplify this like this, right? And then put the value of x in the given polynomial. If the polynomial becomes 0, remainder becomes 0, then it is factor either unless it is not a factor of the given polynomial. So, thank you. Very good. Simplify and try this.